blue-green Seaglass tower, 1-bedroom, limited ocean view. So you walk in, looks like way more than a limited ocean view. It's a small living room, glass windows from top to floor. Says watch your step. Unlock this. There's nice 2 locks. Nice little balcony, just with beautiful limited ocean view. But see, you get some of the land as well. The other buildings that face forward, where you just see the ocean, is the ocean view. And full kitchen, oven, microwave, stovetop, full-size refrigerator, toaster oven, blender, coffee maker, full-size ice maker. And then the 1-bedroom, it is, I believe it's a queen-size bed. It's got the partition doors to separate it from the living room, so you can shut the door. Has a door that leads to the bathroom that way, or you can go from this side and you can go into the bathroom from this side. Stand-up shower. And that is the 1-bedroom, partial ocean view Seaglass tower. Blue-green. Oh, and it's our anniversary, so the Blue-green staff left us this beautiful little happy anniversary gift, which was super nice of them.